Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey Minecraft fans! Ever wished you could explore those blocky worlds on your Mac, but with the familiar comfort of your PlayStation 4 controller? Good news, it's totally possible. We're here to guide you through the very best, most consistent method available right now, ensuring a smooth setup for your 2025 gaming sessions. Get ready to truly transform your gameplay experience. So, what's the secret sauce for flawless controller integration? It's Steam's Big Picture mode. While Minecraft doesn't natively live on Steam, this special interface provides a powerful, universal framework for controller support. It lets you customize and map buttons with incredible precision, ensuring your PlayStation 4 controller speaks the same language as your game. Setting this up is quite straightforward. Begin by launching your Steam application, then simply head into Big Picture mode, found in the top right corner. From there, navigate to your library and select Add a non-Steam game to my library. Just browse for your Minecraft launcher application, click Add Selected Programs, and you're almost ready to configure your controller for seamless gameplay. With Minecraft now in your Steam library, select it while in Big Picture mode and choose Manage Game, then Controller Options. Here's where the magic happens. You can map every button on your PlayStation 4 controller to keyboard and mouse inputs. Take your time to get it just right, and then save your custom configuration as a profile for easy access later. Finally, to ensure everything works perfectly every single time, always launch Minecraft directly from within Steam's Big Picture mode. This essential step activates your carefully crafted controller profile, providing a truly seamless and integrated gaming experience. You're now all set to adventure, build, and explore endlessly in Minecraft, comfortably using your PlayStation 4 controller on your Mac. Happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.